In this video, I will present you with a new highly promising trading strategy that uses 3 amazing and free indicators from TradingView. This strategy can be applied to every market and works on a lot of different time frames. I will not only show you everything you need to know about this strategy, but I will also share how I got a net profit of 900% after backtesting it. Let's go! So, as I said, this trading strategy uses 3 TradingView indicators. By the way, if you want to get $30 to using TradingView, use the link that is in the description. The first indicator is the Bollinger Bands, where you need to change the length to 25. The second one is the Relative Strength Index, where you need to change the RSI length to 8, the moving average type to a volume-weighted moving average, and here on the Style section you need to change the RSI upper band to 65 and the RSI lower band to 35, and you can also turn off the middle line band because you won't need it. And the third one is the Volume Flow Indicator by Lazy Bear with the default settings. The strategy is as simple as clicking on the subscribe button. Every time the price crosses and closes above the upper band of the Bollinger Bands, the RSI is above the yellow line and above level 65, and the green line of the volume flow indicator is above the orange one and above the zero level, it means it's time to enter in a long position. And every time the price crosses and closes under the lower band of the Bollinger Bands, the RSI is below the yellow line and below level 35, and the green line of the volume flow indicator is under the orange one and below the zero level, it means it's time to enter in a short position. For the strategy's risk management, you can place the stop losses on the last swing lows for long positions or on the last swing highs for short positions, but I will use the ATR indicator to place them, because for me it's the best and easiest method to do it. For those who are in my free Discord channel, you know what I'm talking about. But if you are not in this group yet, I invite you to check it out, as it's open to everyone and every day different trading strategies are shared and discussed. So I will use the formula 2 times the ATR pip value to place every stop loss, and the take profits will always be on the 1 to 2 risk to reward zone. So now we only have one thing left to do: test this strategy on a large sample in order to discover its real performance. In order to speed up the process, I'm going to code a new strategy with all the indicators and rules I have defined. I will code it and I will be right back.
A few moments later.
It's done, my bot is ready to be used and it's working perfectly. Here we can see that the price crossed and closed above the upper band of the Bollinger Bands, the RSI is above the yellow line and above level 65, and the volume flow green line is above the orange one, and it is above the zero level. So we will enter at the close of the signal candle, which is this one. The stop loss value is 2 times 1722, which is 34.44, and the take profit is at the 1 to 2 risk to reward zone, so at this level. So first of all, we can see that my bot entered the position and placed the stop loss and take profit values perfectly. Now let's fast forward to see what would happen. As you can see, the take profit was easily hit here and the bot closed the trade. Let's look into a short trade example. Here we can see that the price crossed and closed under the lower band of the Bollinger Bands, the RSI is below the yellow line and under level 35, and the volume flow green line is below the orange one and it is under the zero level. So we will enter at the close of the signal candle, which is this one. The stop loss value is 2 times 1113, which is 22.26, and the take profit is at the 1 to 2 risk to reward zone, so at this level. So we can see that my bot entered the position and placed the stop loss and take profit values again perfectly. Now let's fast forward to see what will happen. As you can see, the take profit was easily hit here and the bot closed the trade. As you could see in these 2 examples, my bot respects all the rules of this strategy and enters and exits from every trade with high precision. And the best part is that it displays every trade on the chart with the stop loss and take profit levels. And here on the strategy tester, it shows you not only every piece of statistical information, as well all the details about each trade according to the requested risk per trade, commissions and spreads you inserted on its properties, and all of this in a matter of seconds. If you want to access this bot and all my other bots from different indicators and strategies, check out the description of this video. There you will also find a link that will show you all the bots that I have created and that are 100% available for you to use. So, without further ado, let's jump to the backtest. I will apply this strategy on the 30-minute time frame of some crypto stocks and commodities using the data sample corresponding to the 2022 year and using a 2% risk per trade without compounding any of the profits in order to get the most realistic results possible. I will insert every important statistical information in this Excel to show you the average results. I will speed up the backtest, but you can slow it down in the YouTube settings to check all the results. I'll see you in a minute. After analyzing over 5,000 trades in 25 different assets with my backtesting bot, here we have all the results. Based on these conditions, the overall win rate of this strategy was about 37.71%, which is acceptable for a strategy that uses a fixed take profit with a 1:2 risk to reward ratio. And it produced a net profit of 936%. The average drawdown was also quite acceptable, with a value of 21.87%. Considering commissions and spreads, this net profit value decreases by around 40% to around 560%, which is still a very good annual profit. Therefore, with this backtest, we were able to verify that this strategy is indeed profitable and works very well in different types of markets, always maintaining its performance at the highest level. Of course, you can also try to optimize the indicator settings or use them on other timeframes or with different risk management rules, and I am sure your results will be overwhelming. If you want to speed up that process, you can have full access to my backtesting bot. Instead of taking months to carry out your backtests, you can start doing them in a matter of seconds and with the most realistic and proven results possible, as I have shown you today. As you saw in this video, I backtested over 5,000 trades in a few seconds. Access the links in the description of this video to find out more about my bots. And that's it. I hope you learned something from this video, and don't forget to subscribe, share and like it to support me in bringing more content to you. Be well, thank you, bye bye.